Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to extract any software and cursor icons present in Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as icons extract, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below and now you can see your download option. So you can download the first one or the second one depending upon your needs. So I'll download the zip file one. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open this extracted folder. Now you'll see here the second file icons.ext. So just double click on it. So now you can see here it's saying the scan options. So by default it is selected this location. You can change to different folders or different files also. So if you just click on this browse folder and you can select respective folder, or you can select the enter drive. Just by clicking on the respective drive you can select the enter drive also, but it will take a lot of time. So say I'll just select this default locations where it is showing up right now, just to give you an example, and you can select this source subfolders also if you wish. So I'll just keep it unticked, and below you can select the scan icons in the selected process also. You can select this option also, but I will recommend the first option to select, and below you can see some more options like resource type, icons, cursor, what type of types you want to scan, and you can select for more options depending upon the specific image size or color depth. You can select it. You can change different color depths also, different image size. So I'll just keep it unticked, all these options, and now you can see at the bottom search for icons. Just click on it. Now it starts scanning. Now it will show all the respective software or cursor icons present on the respective files or folders that you have selected. So you can see here. So now in order to extract any icon from this, what you need to do, say you want to extract this respective icon, right? So just right mouse click on it, and now you can see here save selected icons. You can just click on it. Now you can select the output folder. So just let me click on browse. Let me select the desktop just to give you an example. And below you can see here save cursor in ICO file. So if there is a cursor files, you can save it in the ICO format files also by enabling this option. So I'll just keep it as it is right now and keep on save icons. So now you can see on the desktop screen the icon which I have selected is being extracted here. So let me show its properties. So you can see it's a .ico file, that is an icon file. So now if you want to extract the enter icon, then what you can do is you can press Ctrl A on your computer keyboard in order to select all the icons, or you can do one thing also. You can just right mouse click on any of the icons and you can just select this select all option in order to select all the respective icons, and you can see here save selected icons. Now select the output folder, click on save icons. So now you can see here it has extracted all the icons. So you can see. So by using this application named as icons extract, you can easily extract any software and cursor icons present in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.